What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of DD Filmings. Yo, I'm Duckin Duck. Call me DD. I live with Mr. Nobody, and the setting about me is almost the same with the movie. The movie! You know that. The toy! In this channel, me, Duckin Duck, is broadcasting films about nice spot around Stray Dogs Cafe. Right now, Mr. Nobody is so into filming and takes movie all the time. My mission is to introduce you to nice spots to visit before and after drinking tea at Stray Dog Cafe. Mr. Nobody is, well, a good person, I think. Well, I admit that. But he doesn't know anything about the marketing. If you want to bring lots of friends to a specific place, you should let them know other famous spots to visit. Well, today, my man Mr. Nobody filmed a very beautiful spot. It's called 夕焼け小焼けの里 or 夕焼け小焼けふれあいの里 or something like that. So, I'm gonna show you the video. It's amazing. So ducking amazing. He promised me to keep it secret because Mr. Nobody doesn't know about this. In other words, nobody knows. Ha! I've got sense of humor too. It only takes about 30 minutes drive from the Stray Dog Cafe in Hachiouji. The website about this star is here. You also should check the views before going to this part, because in that way you can understand what picture gets your audience attention in advance. This is the fundamental of taking photos of movies, which Mr. Nobody didn't know about. Oh, by the way, if you haven't watched the last episode, go check it out before going on to today's content. The link is on the page below. Okay, then, enjoy today's video. Hey, welcome back. How was it? It was awesome, eh? Now that you know a beautiful park to visit, I believe you want to go visit both the park and the cafe, right? This is marketing. Oh, Duck! Mr. Nobody's coming. あれ？ビデオついてるの？ゆっちゃん、アヒルで YouTube ごっこしたらちゃんと片付けて。 That was close. Alright, man. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you around.